Aave Wallet Full Review. Features, strengths. Welcome to our Aave Wallet Full Review. Links to the product and additional resources are included in the description below. Let's get straight to the details. The Aave Wallet is a DeFi-focused wallet designed for users looking to interact seamlessly with the Aave protocol and other decentralized finance ecosystems. Known for its emphasis on lending, borrowing, and earning interest on cryptocurrencies, this wallet is tailored for individuals seeking more control and utility with their digital assets. One of its standout features is the seamless integration with the Aave protocol, enabling users to lend and borrow cryptocurrencies directly from the wallet. Users can also earn interest on their idle assets by depositing them into Aave's liquidity pools. The wallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and stablecoins, making it a versatile tool for DeFi enthusiasts. Security is a priority for the Aave Wallet. It offers non-custodial storage, meaning users retain full control over their private keys. Additionally, it supports hardware wallet integration, allowing for even greater security. Features like biometric authentication and encrypted backups add further layers of protection. The wallet's user interface is clean and intuitive, making it accessible to both beginners and advanced users. It also allows direct access to staking for Aave tokens, enabling holders to participate in governance and earn staking rewards. Cross-chain functionality is supported, providing flexibility for users operating on Ethereum and other blockchains. In terms of strengths, the Aave Wallet excels in its deep integration with the Aave protocol, making it one of the best choices for users involved in DeFi lending and borrowing. The non-custodial design ensures users have complete control over their funds, while its cross-chain compatibility and staking options add to its appeal. However, there are some weaknesses. The wallet is heavily focused on DeFi, which may not be ideal for users simply looking for basic storage and transfers. Additionally, while the interface is user-friendly, the complexity of DeFi processes like lending and borrowing might be overwhelming for absolute beginners. In conclusion, the Aave Wallet is an excellent choice for DeFi enthusiasts looking to maximize the utility of their cryptocurrencies. With robust security, lending and staking features, and seamless protocol integration, it's a powerful tool for advanced users. Check the links in the description to learn more and get started with Aave Wallet today.